The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimates 1 out of 6 individuals in the United States is infected with genital herpes. The National Institutes of Health states the sexually transmitted disease is caused by the type 1 or type 2 herpes simplex virus. Transmission of the herpes virus generally occurs during sexual activity, but brief skin-to-skin contact with an infected individual is all that is needed for this contagious disease to spread, according to Planned Parenthood. The Mayo Clinic describes the most visible symptom of an infection as small red blisters on the rectum or genitals that may break open and cause tender sores. The Mayo Clinic also states infected individuals may experience pain or itching on the inner thighs, buttocks, or genitals. While some individuals will have recurrent sores, many individuals can be infected and have no visible symptoms, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. If you experience any genital herpes symptoms or have had sex with an infected individual, the Mayo Clinic advises seeking medical attention. The National Institutes of Health states your doctor will examine you for the physical signs of the virus and will likely take a viral culture and a blood test. Your doctor may also examine you for other STDs, such as gonorrhea and chlamydia at the same time. While there is no cure for herpes, the CDC asserts treatment options can help to reduce the frequency of recurrence, lessen the duration of outbreaks, and help to heal sores. The Mayo Clinic states common treatment plans include suppressive therapy and episodic therapy using antiviral medications such as Valtrex, Famvir, or Zovirax. Episodic therapy requires using medication only when you're having an outbreak of lesions, and suppressive therapy requires daily use as medication. According to the Mayo Clinic, suppressive therapy is generally advised for individuals that have 5 or more outbreaks yearly. For more information on how to treat genital herpes, click on the link below.